Maniacs. So today we are going to be trying Fruit Riot sour grapes. The flavors are mixed berry, green apple, lemon, lime. Freshly frozen grapes splashed with lemon juice and a sour candy coating. Interesting. Never heard of anything like that. Nature's candy. Now even candier. Is it fruit? Is it candy? Fruit? Frandy? Who gives a fruit? Interesting. So let's give them a try. So that's how the bag looks, and she's gonna try the pink.
Oh, very sour. Heavy coating.
Not so good.
No, too sour.
Would you recommend?
No. Freeze your own grapes.
All right, what one are you gonna try?
I'll try the green, I guess. All right, here it is.
Ooh.
Oh, that's disgusting.
You wouldn't recommend it?
No. That's very gross. Don't recommend.
No, I'm gonna try it, but honestly, it doesn't sound very promising. Everyone seemed to think they were pretty disgusting. I'll try the yellow one since everybody else tried the others. Then we have a fair comparison of all of them. It looks like it's heavily coated. Oh. Oh my gosh. And the sour isn't killing me. But ooh, when you bite into it, your teeth freeze. Oh yeah, that's real sour on the back. Oh, it's like a multiple assault. You've got the extreme cold hurting your teeth, and then the overly sour hurting your tongue. Ooh. You gotta really like sour, and you gotta really like cold. I'm honestly not even tasting the grape. That's it bit in half. So you can see that coating is very thick. Can't really taste the grape. It's just cold and very sour. So the one I tried is supposed to be lemon lime. Yeah, I got lemon to the full tilt like a lemon had. And honestly, I would not recommend it. I don't think it's very good.